So now I should just customize my audio. And then why did I not arrange this? I do not like the music. I'll turn it off. I'll turn off the music. Yeah. Yep. Off completely. Oh. Oh. Good. Arranged. Now for my silence. I know silence is supposed to be the most rarest, but I don't care. That looks looks cool actually. Wait, wait, quit this. Should I? Would not look as good. This is Aiden. Where is the eye? What? I don't have eye. What the hell? Why am I lagging so much? Oh, I'm gonna go check my thing. I'm just gonna. I found the reason why my phone was laggy. And now we're back. See? Not that laggy anymore. Not laggy anymore. Wait, just wondering why. Maybe I should wear my armor. That's how I got. Oh yeah. There is. Do I have? Oh, I do. I will change to this one because I like it. No, 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 I'm not. This spent a long time, so why not wear it? You see the. You see that I am wearing silence. I'm gonna change my silence. I'm gonna change it to this one. Nope. Huh? Huh? Wait, huh? What the hell? Also, it's a nicer thing. Yeah, it's nice. I don't have to. Hello. I really should sleep since. Oh, wait. He damaging my armor. Immediately. I feel it feels smoother, by the way. Yeah, a bit. I wish I had the analyst so I could just do it faster. What the hell? And I think one of the wolves is zesty. Zesty as heck. And I'm gonna go quiet. Go quieter actually. Instead of preparing for a beacon, this time I'm not gonna do a beacon for the 100 days. 200 I'll probably do a beacon. I need port. And I could not see because I already got the port and I do not want to deal with that. Even though there's a lot of shit. My armor. It's actually smooth. Um, I'm gonna check my settings. Yeah, cause after I updated it, after I changed the DSU thing, oh, so that's why. Now it's you can tell how smooth it is by. I just need to mine iron for a bit. Do I have iron? I think. No, I don't. I don't. I need to go mining. Miner slash time! I don't know how to make a montage, so you just have to see me do it in lifetime, not montage. Yeah, it's it will have my current voice and can you be please quiet, ma? And now let's just go. Let's go and go do my mining montage. Yeah, the heck's this? Let's check how many. I wanna actually let you see my achievements. 60% completed. I don't know how I got this, but okay. Oh, can't believe that I didn't complete Ushiny. Oh yeah, it was art. I thought I completed it on my beta world. Ooh, 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 ooh. I need coal. Wait, is this not so much? Oh, ooh, iron. I I need to swap this. Ooh, iron. There might be a. Did you pick that up? Be surprised that you did. Advice? 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 Damn it. Advice. Oh, 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 oh. Where the heck did I came from? But it's actually saving me. That actually saved me from wasting me from death. That would definitely happen. I'm not going there. It's easier to move. Ooh, iron. I do need that for the video. The only worst nightmare of a caver is oh, it's what's wrong with my AC? I think it's lapis. It's rare to find diamonds like this anymore, so I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, it's rare to find diamonds like this. And it's a 4V, and yes, I think my data didn't save. It didn't save again. I should really wait for it to actually save instead of recording us. Oh, I'm not happening right there. You know, Filza would have survived if he was on Bedrock. I just needed the armor, so I did not. Fun fact, I just needed the armor. Good thing I'm mining all this cobblestone. I'm mining all this cobblestone. Yeah. Wait a minute. Easy. I actually need that. I need this coal. Because I will. What the hell? Huh? 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 How did I not get? Can't believe that at at this level. Not the not the deepseek one. The normal one is already rare. The normal one is already rare. I can't believe it. I'm that old that I diamonds used to be found at negative Y11. And also after this video I won't actually have to go caving for torches. For coal actually. Wish you could craft coal iron. 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 I mean like oh yeah, how would that go? I'm stupid. How would that do it getting interesting? So just connect to the others. It's still useless because it connects. The heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oop, that's a lot. Oh yeah, I forgot that. I decided to turn on peaceful. I don't care to say it's cheating, but it's not cheating. Actual cheating is actually creative. So I do not think I am. And I'm the the only thing you should care about this game is making fun. Hmm. The only thing I would care if I found fortune does wonders. It leads to a mission. This is not the right cave I came from. Where is it? I might as well go back to that one. It's fortune does wonders. Also respiration. I would need tons and tons of lava back. Change my mind. Bluebrick is the best because I can barely see stuff right now. this? Now where am I? I do not know, but I am But where the heck? Oh, same cave. Let me check if my brightness is at 100. Is at 100. English. I'm gonna make an auto slot. That's why I'm here. I'm just gonna.
Abi din na buwan nga una to sa Boulevard, una ka mag-asa ane. Ito'y kwarto.
So now, I think by 3 steps.
Kwarto naman ka. Tumis man ka, ito ganun ka. Ayun lang to.
Okay, it's inside there. Tap up. And yeah, you just ask. My wallet is there. That's the last time I put my wallet. And also, what are you gonna do with 100? Okay. The heck? Ooh. This is, I'm gonna, fun fact, I don't actually give. You know, I would be excited if you could make furnaces out of diorite, because there will be actually another use for it other than building. And plus, I'm a builder sometimes, and I'm always excited for calcite. So yeah, So guys, I went up, and this is how much I got. This is 23 diamonds, 2 stacks of. I might as well go now, because I think I'm about to die. I do. I just only went that way, not that way. I'm gonna go get some lava from there and make a lava farm. That's why I needed that much iron. Because I needed it for cauldrons. How do you make cauldrons anyways? Cauldron. Where the hell do you find cauldrons? Cauldrons. I cannot find one. Oh, forgot my friend needs all the stuff in here. Even though it's my world, I don't care. What the heck's wrong with my things? I keep on changing it. Still nothing's working. Who is even playing Minecraft Ray Trace? I don't know how to craft cauldrons, and never I will. I think my friend only gave me iron. Don't know. Eh? Maybe I might. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Huh?
I never traded with you. I need to find out. What the hell? Bro, I have to eat beetroot. Bro, I have to eat beetroot. No way I had to eat beetroot. It's useless. It's useless to eat beetroot. I don't think I can access. Yo, no, cow, you're a lifesaver. This cow is a lifesaver.
No.
Bro,
No.
I have, bro, it's back to the laggy one. I wish I had a stick on, but I don't care. I'm not making one. I'm not gonna make a montage of it. I'm not 32 old enough. Now where do I find cauldrons? Stop being. Stop. Someone became a.
Huh?
Cool.
Huh.
Forgot that I even had that mind.
Huh.
I definitely won't need coal. Yeah, I won't need coal after this. Or I would not need to go to the nether just to find some lava to make to fuel. I would dig around let's. How do you make a blast furnace? How do you make a blast furnace? And then making that, I'm just gonna steal it from the villages that I found it in. Yeah. Did my game use sound? Oh my. I was wondering why my game used sound. Oh, okay. I had to do something, so I'm back right now. Now, I I will not fight a raid. I cannot fight a raid right now. Lava is more efficient, and I'm not mixing it. You know, the first time I played with this type of scrolls, it was actually hard for me to actually do anything with this type of controls, but now it's normal for me. It's now normal for me to play with this type of controls. I'm not used to those type of controls. And yes, I did I did actually did that for achievement called it's a thing. I'll show you. I got it. Don't know how you complete that wax off, but I have 60%. Hmm. Also, I like how I got this early on. I got this Snake 100 while doing like an achieve while getting my silence trim, and yeah. Also this with the achievements. Didn't know you can actually see the date. It's a yeah this one. That's how I got it. Now is this me? I think I need buckets, but cauldrons are better. Cauldrons are important for this. Yeah, I just need one. I have 5. I'm just gonna keep it away from my base to not lower my base quality of life. How would it low? And plus it's eco-friendly since I'm not using coal. area. Yeah, this would be a good area. And we start flattening it out. You need to flatten this area out. I like how I got Star Trader. Because I'm a Star Wars. Wait, I don't know. I just started watching Star Wars. Not that kind of a fan. But I like the series. Not that kind of a fan. I started watching it like June 2023. So I just lost my footage, the 30-minute one, because it took me too long. I do not know by the time that I post this, it would just be probably 20 minutes. Probably, hope so. Now where's that hole that I did? Oh, this one. I did this much. This is just my cobblestone. Yeah, this is normal stone. I need cobblestone. Why did I use my silk touch? I guess 3 more stacks would be it. Yes, it would take me sticks. And also I don't think it's worth it if I just do I don't need seeds because it's useless. I'm just gonna be just So guys, I managed to complete it. I was just going there to do some stuff. I completed it already. Not some doors, but this working. What? Huh? And it's actually working. I'll just let it sit at it. Oh, so it does actually work, and that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye. I love you guys all. Bye.